Do you want to enjoy your favorite tiger nut drink for a long period? Learn the secret to making long-lasting tiger nut drink that will stay fresh for days. As you can see, I make different variants of tiger nut drink in large quantity, and in this video, I will be sharing the ultimate tips and tricks to preserve the flavor and aroma of your tiger nut drink. So watch this video till the end so as not to miss out on the tricks and full recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell and let's have fun together. Also comment and subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. What makes this recipe stand out is its long-lasting effect, plus it is naturally delicious. You can enjoy its nutty flavor as a refreshing morning boost or a midday pick-me-up. You can even use it in smoothies or as a base for your favorite recipe. Kindly watch this video till the end for full insight. Now let us go straight into the video. For the sake of this video, I will be making little detailed quantity, but you can check out the description box for the full recipe of both the large quantity and the little quantity. First, soak the tiger nuts overnight with vinegar. This softens them and releases their incredible flavor. And the vinegar kills the microbes, which causes reaction of quick spoilage in the tiger nut drink. Next, prepare your other ingredients. In this video, I will be making the coconut ginger variant, or you can call it mixed drink. So prepare your other ingredients like coconut, dates. Break and remove the seed from the dates and clean it. Also prepare your ginger. After preparing this other ingredient, set them aside and start scrubbing your tiger nut drink. Scrub over and over until the water becomes clean and drinkable. And here is another trick. Soak the tiger nut for 10 minutes with hot water, then change the water and add clean water. Then it is ready to blend. As you are washing the tiger nut and scrubbing it, endeavor to remove all the bad ones, because these bad ones will definitely change the taste of your milk and cause the tiger nut drink to taste bad. It will also hasten the spoilage reaction in the tiger nut drink, so ensure you remove all the bad ones. Next is to incorporate all the ingredients and blend with the measured water. You can also adjust the water ratio. Here is a quick reminder. You can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. Do check out the description box below to see how you can access them. And also for this recipe, I made use of some clove so as to add some extra flavor and aroma. It is optional though. Here is another tip. After blending, mix thoroughly with ice block before straining the mixture. Use a fine cloth or sieve to separate the liquid from the pulp. Then store your drink in an airtight container in the fridge. So there you have it. This simple method can preserve your tiger nuts up to 2 months if it is frozen. Enjoy this recipe every day and you can start up your tiger nut business with this simple method. Be rest assured that it won't spoil easily, trust me. Thanks for watching. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified when I drop a new video. Thanks and see you in our next video.